Shravya and Padmini able to hear me. There is a small recording about the controlling. Just one step, maintain controlling area. Okay, KP. I will share my screen. Now you people able to see the T code list. You can able to see the controlling. This is the topic. A small recording for you. So these are the around these settings are there. Just one setting is enough to create our general ledger postings. Today's topic is OKKP is the T code. This setting we are trying to do. This setting is enough. Remaining settings is not required. Today's date is a 12/01/2025. Controlling the recording, copy and go to the notes. Make it as a paste here. Now we people able to see my Gmail. So paste here. The step is activate component control indicator assignment of a company code controlling area. That is the step. That's all. T code is a OKKP. Copy. Go to the notes. Make it as a paste. This is the mandatory step for us to posting of a general ledger accounting. Go to SAP software. Now you can able to see the SAP software here. Go to EG access screen and give a T code at there. T code is a OKKP is the T code. Hit on here. We land on a controlling and it contains 3 folders. Folder number 1 is open for us. Hit on new entries. Give a character ME95. What is meant by controlling? Controlling is nothing but a department who having a general managers and managers and a team who control the money. So whenever money is there, there is a few people to control the things, whether properly utilizing the funds or not. ME95 is the character. Give it. Long description, you can give it ME95. Controlling area. Don't touch non-mandatory field. Non-mandatory field. So controlling area is the same as a company code. Here you can choose which currency they have to control. So if you choose as a company code currency, that is INR, system automatically pick our data here. And CCTR standard hierarchy, cost center standard hierarchy. So I will activate here a artificial intelligence. I ask to system to create this entry. STAND standard underscore me95, but I have not created anywhere. I ask the system to create, press enter. System throw a message, it is not my database. Shall I create this entry? Say yes or no. I say yes, please create. Again, press and save. System throw same message, say yes again. System has saved the data, save in your folder. So this type of messages will come. Ignore into data was saved. This is the first folder. Basic data. We are created one controlling department. There is a team. Okay, folder number 1. Folder number 1. This is the folder number 1. Okay. And the code is OKKP. Next, you have to do folder number 3. Assignment of a company code. When you define this thing, you have to assign. That is a thumb rule. Go to the notes. Make it as a paste. folder number 1. Next, folder number 2. Now we can able to see here folder number 2. You have to assign here. Okay, assign to company code. You have defined the thing. You have to assign the things. Okay, fine. Click on folder number 3. Down here, it is a gray out. When you press new entry, it get open. Your company code ME95 and just save. That's all. That I was saved. Okay, hit on it. So you are created folder number 2, which is a folder number 2. This is folder number 2. Okay, KP is the tick code. Folder number 3, technically not 2. Folder number 3. This is folder number 3, not a copy. Go to the notes. So folder number 3. Okay, folder number 3. Next, folder number 2, you can take it. Folder number 2. We give you some responsibility to them where to go and control the things. Now we can able to see here controlling area. Folder number 2, hit on here. So this kind of a screen will come. Click on new entry. System take another screen. And which area we supposed to be? Which financial year? So financial year is a 2021. So we are giving permission to controlling people to the areas where they have to control. Cost centers, not active become active. Asking to control. Whenever, wherever it is required, go there and control it. Order management, not active, making it an active. Commitment management, not active, make it an active. Active based costing, not active, make it as an active. New projects, sales, cost, real estate, wealth management of a company, everywhere you go there and control the things. Just save it. System will give you some kind of a transport. Hit on here. So data was saved. Okay. So we are successfully creating controlling step. And this is the folder number 2. And this is the arrow mark. Okay, KP is the tick code. Copy, go to the notes, make it paste. So this is the end of the controlling topic. Area, maintaining controlling area. Tick code is OK keep. So now the all basic configurations we completed. All basic configuration completed. And this basic configuration enough to post a document. All 17 classes steps is good enough to test the data at end user level, that is from easy access screen to post topic number 1, general ledger posting. The code FB50. Okay, and so this will be, we will execute from next class, and please practice up here. Next class we will post our general ledger accounting, which is our main. So where it is general ledger accounting, if you want to see, you can exit from here. You can able to see the easy access screen. We have a major 3 topics here: accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, account payable, account receivable. This is the next class we can able to see here. Posting of a FB50. Okay, so we'll test our data. These 3 topics configuration, this is we will post next week. Okay, posting of administrative expenses next week class. And the configuration is enough to posting of administrative expenses. This one from easy access screen is called end users. Copy, go to the notes and make it as a paste. Okay, so we'll meet next week. Thank you. Practice.